In today's globalized world, the workplace is more diverse than ever, bringing together individuals from various cultural and linguistic backgrounds. One topic that often arises in this context is the significance of accents, particularly for those working in foreign companies. Many professionals find themselves questioning whether their English accent might hinder their career prospects or affect their communication with colleagues and clients. This concern is completely valid, as accents can sometimes lead to misunderstandings or biases in professional settings. However, it's essential to recognize that accents are a natural part of language and communication. They reflect our unique identities and experiences, and in many cases, they can even enhance our personal brand. In this video, we aim to provide an informative and supportive perspective on this topic, addressing common worries while emphasizing the value of diversity in the workplace. We'll explore how accents can influence perceptions and interactions, and we'll share tips on how to navigate these challenges effectively. So, if you've ever felt anxious about your accent in a professional environment, you're not alone, and we're here to help you embrace your voice with confidence. An accent is a distinctive way of pronouncing words that is often influenced by a person's geographical background, cultural heritage, and social environment. It plays a crucial role in communication, as it can convey not only the speaker's identity, but also their emotional tone and intent. Accents can vary significantly even within the same language, showcasing the rich tapestry of linguistic diversity. English, in particular, boasts a wide array of accents from different regions around the globe. For instance, the accents found in the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, and Canada each have unique characteristics that set them apart. Within these countries, you can find even more variations, such as the Southern drawl in the US or the Cockney accent in London. This diversity reflects the historical, cultural, and social influences that shape language over time. It's important to remember that accents are a natural part of language and identity. They enrich our communication and contribute to the vibrant mosaic of human expression. Embracing your accent can foster connections and understanding, reminding us that language is not just about words, but also about the stories and experiences we bring to the conversation. Managing concerns about your accent is essential for fostering confidence and effective communication in the workplace. One of the most important strategies is to focus on clarity and effective communication rather than striving for accent reduction. Clear articulation and a strong command of language can often outweigh the nuances of an accent, allowing your message to shine through. Engaging with native speakers can be incredibly beneficial. Consider participating in language exchange programs or conversation clubs, where you can practice speaking in a supportive environment. These interactions not only help improve your fluency, but also allow you to become more comfortable with your accent as you receive constructive feedback. Equally important is embracing your unique voice and identity. Confidence plays a significant role in how others perceive you. When you speak with assurance, your audience is more likely to listen and engage with what you have to say. Remember, your accent is a part of who you are, reflecting your background and experiences. By valuing your voice and focusing on effective communication, you can overcome accent anxiety and build meaningful connections in any professional setting. Embrace your individuality and let your voice be heard. Diverse accents in the workplace are not just a reflection of individual backgrounds. They contribute significantly to a richer and more dynamic workplace culture. Multicultural teams bring varied perspectives that can lead to innovative solutions and creative problem solving. When people from different linguistic backgrounds collaborate, they share unique insights shaped by their experiences, which can enhance decision-making and drive success. Appreciating different accents is essential for fostering an inclusive environment that values global collaboration. Each accent carries its own story and cultural significance, enriching conversations and interactions. By embracing this diversity, companies can create a more welcoming atmosphere where everyone feels valued and heard. Many successful organizations thrive on diversity, showcasing the benefits of varied accents and backgrounds. For instance, companies like Google and Unilever have made diversity a core part of their business strategy, recognizing that a diverse workforce leads to better performance and innovation. These companies actively promote inclusive practices, ensuring that employees from all backgrounds can contribute their voices. By embracing diversity in accents and perspectives, organizations not only enhance their workplace culture, but also position themselves for greater success in an increasingly interconnected world. In In today's discussion, we've explored the significance of embracing one's accent while prioritizing effective communication in the workplace. Accents are a natural part of our identity and can enrich our interactions, reflecting the diverse backgrounds we all come from. By focusing on clarity and confidence, we can overcome any anxiety related to our accents and foster meaningful connections with colleagues and clients. We encourage you to share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. Have you ever felt anxious about your accent? How have you navigated those feelings in your professional life? Your insights could help others who may be facing similar challenges. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video. Your support helps us create more content that addresses important topics like this one. Be sure to explore our other videos for more tips and discussions on communication, diversity, and professional growth. Together, let's continue to embrace our unique voices and celebrate the rich tapestry of accents that make our workplaces vibrant and inclusive. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you.